Ah, man, I just heard that beep. I'm using a Pocket 2. I'm trying to say to myself, hey, Fish, are you ready for the Pocket 3? Oh, I'm on the bicycle. I got it in my hand. I got a mini tripod. Oh, please forgive me. Now I got the mic on. It's underneath my clothes. Oh yeah. If you were me, you have a mini tripod, you have a microphone, you have all these other extra options at your hand. Which package would you get? Standalone or Creator's Edition? I'm angled about 30 degrees. Let me see if I can show you like this. I'm tilting down like this. How does that look to you? Is it keeping me in frame? Is my thumb in the way if I move it like so? Because to me, this is more ergonomic. If I hold the camera like this, it means my wrist is being pulled back some. And I'm more comfortable leaning a little bit forward and down. I'm trying to think of that product I had. I know the name. Give me a second. I did a review years ago. It's called the Hummingbird. The Hummingbird Gimbal. Oh yeah, man. I remember. I did that video and that was ergonomically handheld. I got no idea what mode I'm on, if I'm recording, whatnot. I can't see in the light, especially on these screens. How was that transition to you? From a dark underpass to the bright light. But the sun is at 11 o'clock up there. The one thing I like is auto tracking. With a Pocket 2, you have to be on not the best quality. So the Pocket 3, I haven't heard anybody talking about auto tracking and the quality that the camera's on. Well, I got a pole that's in front of me. Did it lose me? No. Doing a good job tracking me. What I hear everybody else talking about, which is my second thing of concern, 350-degree rotation. Once I hit that rotation, the camera won't track anymore. I understand that's quite normal for the reason of, you got it, the wire in the system is not wireless. It's an improvement on the Pocket 3. So that's a third concern. The improvement is tracking is smoother. There are other options for tracking. For example, if I want to get a auto tracker, I get myself, still with me? I'm over here. I'm over here. Follow me. Follow me. See my face? Did you hit the limit? Try this again. The auto tracker smoothness, if I wanted another auto tracker, I'm over here. Don't turn your back on the camera because it won't follow you. I was trying to say the smoothness, and yeah, I'm putting it down on the ground. So this way you can see what I meant in item number 2. Come on with me, see how far we can go. That's it. And I use the side button, the selfie. I guess it could follow me all the way around this particular way and capture me. Well, do I have number 4? Well, hard to see a small screen. All right. If I wanted to get myself an auto tracker, right? Well, this is what I was trying to do. Come on over here. And I was going to come over here and see if you could follow me and all. So I don't know if it picked me up or not. There I go. I gave a few shots trying to do, problem number 3, telling you about an auto tracker. I could have gotten a Yolanzi and at least it'll follow, but problem is, I don't know if it's face recognition or body recognition. And as soon as you turn your back on the device and you walk away, I don't even know if it's even following me. It's gonna lose me eventually. And yeah, how do I get back into the picture to follow? I don't know. It means I have to reset the camera back up again. I don't want to mess with the settings or try to figure it out on the go, but that's how I feel. I don't want to bring these troubles to the table that nobody shows. I just try to be the good old person saying, hey, these are my inner thoughts out loud. I wear glasses. Nothing I could do about it. And I even need reading glasses. And man, that makes it a lot harder. And I don't use progressions where, maybe it should be. And I don't like to keep my hand any further out like this. I don't know if you can see how I'm holding. And that's what I like. I like to be bent in the elbows. I don't want to be, oh man, so stretched out and trying to hold the camera and look awkward. I got the strap on and my hands are wrapped around the camera like this, real gentle. My thumb's like so, like this. And I put my thumb in the front and I think I am pretty comfortable. So I am probably going to make a move for the standalone because I have a receiver and mic. But having 2 mics gives you the actual stereo sound. I don't think you could plug in an external mic to get your true stereo sound. I wish you could. And that'd be something awesome that DJI should do. I apologize if I'm not in the frame. Woohoo, baby! But I'm using a bike mount, and I don't love it. It's cockeyed. I don't have to straighten it out, Fish, but I could raise you up a little higher so you could get a better shot of me. Whoa, man! I can't believe it's that cold outside still. This is how I keep the Pocket 2 on the bike, and you got the strap. So yeah, it's always important to make sure you got everything secured. Now the screen is so small, I don't have this set up because I don't want to rearrange what's not mine. And I don't think I need glasses to take out an SD card. It comes out real simple and easy. And I'm just going to download right off onto the SD card, standard Samsung Evo Select Plus. This is technology for you. I got glasses that gonna take about half an hour just to brighten up. And I can't see a thing in them. Oh yeah, I can see. Let me just show you what they look like. Woohoo, baby. I'm nice and brown. But they are dark indeed. They will lighten up over time. Well, this is the Inky Falcon Plus. I had the whole HamiSteady Pro 4. I don't know, I didn't like it. It felt a little too cheesy, plastic looking like. And this one looked a little bit better, but it doesn't have that motion lapse where this company promised, never delivered. And yeah, when you put on the attachment here and your piece, this little piece on it, my tripod that's over there, it's going to be too tall. Not going to work out for this gimbal, the Osmo Action 4. So that's where I'm like really thinking. I got the tripod. I got the Pocket 3, and I don't need the battery. I got the extension. I don't need a wide-angle lens, and I don't need the anything else, the case and all. And I'll be happy just as is. Fish, just hit that buy it now button. Time to go give Sis back a Pocket 2 and think about my move. On that note, you know who I am? I'll catch you on many other videos to come.